when we start to have VAR on the matches, that things will go better because there will be no suspicious on no one. Because here in South Africa, it becomes very interesting that the officials from some teams visit the referees in the morning of the matches. You know that? Yeah, but look for that because I saw a photo today. It's important
Imina nobani ebesilokhu silindile. Silokhu silinde njalo nje silinde i-evidence ezoqhamuka no-Coach Miguel Cardoso. We've been patiently waiting for someone who will bring forward the evidence of what Miguel Cardoso was saying. He was accusing a certain team of approaching a match official. Uzothi wena no akazange lisho igama la team yamuntu, but isamuza interview yakhe he made it clear ukuthi what if i-team yadlala izolo and ngayizolo kwadlala iPirates namaZulu kuphela. Lokho ukutshela ukuthini? Ukutshela ukuthi he was suspecting one of those two teams ukuthi oyedwa wabo uhambile okhuluma ne-match official okwakuthando Nzanzeka, ukuthi uThando Nzanzeka needs to be investigated uma ukuthi kunabantu abafika kuyena. Uma ukuthi abe-Pirates they need to be exposed. Yabo, they need to be exposed bese beyabhenwa kwi-Betway Premiership for maybe 2 years because lonto leyo is disgusting. Why ungeke uye kuma match officials udlala ne-Sundowns, udlala kwi-CAF Champions League, udlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-team anzima, uzuyela amaZulu kuma match officials, uzuyela amaZulu ufuna ukudla amaZulu? Okay, uKardoso wayesekhona ngalesikhathi kwi-Sundowns lesi mana nasi namtshengisa ucoach Kardoso le way. Nangu bathi uSiobhasi uqhawula i-match official, ufaka isandla ekhukhwini, ukhipha into envelope egcwele izinto phakathi, asazi ukuthi yini, we can't accuse him. Wayinikeza i-match official. Umbuzo wami usamile, wayesefikile yini uKardoso la? Uyasazi yini lesigameko yena? Uthini manje imbuza ngaso ukuthi obhasi bahamba befumbathisa ama-match officials? Nambuze.